Best in show na po yan. Dalawang model. Di malaki. Yan na po yan. Eh, nabasa. Nice. We got a French Bulldog, English Bulldog, APBT, and the American Bully. Who is going to be the best in show?
Anders, Browns, paki-maximize ng space natin, ha? Sino to? Best effort. Sir, tapos mo ng konti para mas makabuelo sila.
Walang shortcut po.
Konti pala papapit yan, ha? Walang kang mamamatay.
And the winner
Wala pang pawis si Aya, wala pang pawis si Aya. Anders! Isa pa.
Give space, give space.
Nice one!
Nice.
Let's go!
Next.
Nice three! Okay.
and the winner for the best in show American Bully category goes to none other than one round. The French Bulldog.